My dear mathematician, you are required to make x the subject of the formula here, or to express x in terms of a. So the first step which you need to do here is to square both sides. So a will be a squared, which is equal to, when we square and we find the square root, we are going to be left with the 3 plus 2x divided both sides by 5 minus 4x. 5 minus 4x. Then from there, we multiply both sides by the denominator to obtain a squared into bracket 5 minus 4x, which is equal to 3 plus 2x. We remove the bracket to give us a squared, 5a squared minus 4ax, which is equal to 3 plus 2x. The next, now we group the terms together which have got x. So we can have 5a squared minus 3. We take this 3 on the left hand side, and we take this negative 4ax on the right hand side to have 4ax plus 2x. Then on the right hand side we factor x to be left with 4a plus 2. Then we divide both sides by 4a plus 2. So when we do that, we will have x is equal to 5a squared minus 3 divided by 4a plus 2. 4a plus 2. So we can do the recap of what we are doing here. So to make x the subject of the formula here, what you simply do is you square both sides. When you square a number and you get a square root, you get that number. From there, now you multiply the denominator as shown here. Once you multiply the denominator on the left hand side, you remove the bracket to obtain this. After removing the bracket, you collect the terms with the x together. So I have taken 3 on the left hand side, and I have taken negative 4ax on the right hand side to obtain 4ax. Then on the right hand side, we factor x to be left with the 4a plus 2. Then we divide by 4a plus 2. Divided by 4a plus 2 both sides. Thank you so much for taking your time to study this video tutorial. For other areas on how to make a number subject of the formula, you can check in my YouTube channel at Luke Aaron 1 to get other studies. So my YouTube channel name is Luke Aaron 1. Remember to click on the notification bell and also to subscribe so that you don't miss any single video which I upload every day as we continue learning mathematics.